How to delete Bitmoji on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete Bitmoji on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, simply tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Bitmoji. And now here, in this section at the bottom center, you can see the option labeled as Unlink My Bitmoji. So simply tap on it. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, simply confirm it by tapping on Remove button, and after that, your Bitmoji will be removed from Snapchat. And that's it. That's how you can delete Bitmoji from Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.